question is, why are certain compounds called the hydrocarbons? We know that the compound which are having carbon and hydrogen bond are called hydrocarbons. As you can see, here is carbon attached to a hydrogen. That's why it is called a hydrocarbon. Now, the second question is, write the general formula of the homologous series of alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes. So, for alkanes, the general formula is CnH2n plus 2. For alkenes, the general formula is CnH2n. And for alkynes, we know that the general formula is CnH2n minus 2. Now it is also asked that draw the structure of first member of each series. For alkanes, we know that the first member is methane molecule, that is CH4, and the structure will be a central carbon attached to 4 hydrogen like this, right? For alkenes, the first member is ethene. The general formula is C2H4, and the structure will be carbon double bondedly to the second carbon, and each of the carbon attached to 2 hydrogen atoms like this. This is the structure of ethene. And for alkynes, the simplest or the first member of the series will be ethyne. That is C2H2, and the structure will be carbon having triple bond and each carbon attached to a single hydrogen. This is the structure of ethyne. Now it is asked that write the name of the reaction that converts alkenes to alkanes. We know that alkenes are converted into alkanes by the reaction called hydrogenation, right? Okay, and also write a chemical equation to show necessary conditions for the reaction. So for hydrogenation, we know that an alkene is converted into a alkane. Like, take an example of ethene molecule, that is C2H4, in which carbon is attached to the second carbon with double bond like this. This is your ethene molecule. Okay, for hydrogenation, the addition of hydrogen takes place, and the necessary condition is 443 Kelvin temperature and a catalyst called nickel. It will act as a catalyst that will alter the rate of reaction, and finally it will result in the formation of ethane molecule, in which CH3 and CH3, these two carbons, each carbon having 3 hydrogen, okay, and attached to each other with a single bond. This is called as ethane molecule. So this is the hydrogenation reaction in which ethene is converted into ethane molecule in the presence of nickel as a catalyst and high temperature of 443 Kelvin.